So you lose that definition on the pie slice. I actually wish I had done the bigger pie slice embedded in this. And I think maybe if I had turned this one towards that, I mean, I love the top. Top's cute. I also thought this would get darker. It might. You can see around the edges, but it's still much lighter than I was expecting. I thought this would get dark and then these would stand out more, but yeah, it kind of loses the pie effect inside, but oh well. It smells good, the top is cute. I also think I probably maybe should have put the embeds on the bottom to balance the top off, but that's okay. My pumpkin pie soap. Oh my. These two shifted together. I was trying to again shift it out and instead they went together. It's not the end of the world. We'll see if it darkens any and what happens, but I really do love the top. It's just so pretty. I just wish the inside had gone a little bit different. But there you have it. Pumpkin pie soap. It's scented in pumpkin crush, something like that. I forget the exact name. From Nature's Garden. Smells good.